How can you appreciate the value of your house? How to transform your house into a bestseller? The house is now hard to sell. Even price cuts and losses cannot be sold. However, there are still people on the market who are buying houses. Do you know which houses will be the best sellers in the market? Do you know how to renovate your house? You can turn your house into a bestseller. Are you selling at a high price? You can find it by looking at studies from countries around the world. The most popular houses are zero-energy houses. This kind of house uses renewable energy such as solar energy. No more electricity bills. There is no need to worry about power outages and rising electricity prices. This type of house was introduced in one of our studies on the mental productivity of real estate. Please take a look at another long video or article. So transform your house into a zero-energy house. You don't have to pay for electricity. It will definitely be welcomed by the market. According to a global study, global governments have developed zero carbon and carbon neutrality policies and plans. Basically, countries around the world will achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. Therefore, the real estate industry is a key industry to achieve carbon neutrality. The government will gradually introduce policies so that the house must meet the zero carbon standard. If your house is not up to standard, you have to pay a carbon tax. This policy may soon come into your life. So zero carbon your house. It can increase the value of your home, make houses more popular,